Hi, my name's Nick Baird from Cutlers Real Estate. Absolutely, I think just the psychological stuff of selling is probably something that I've never been exposed to. And I think the ability when you're going in and seeing clients to actually listen to what their needs are. I think often as a sales agent, you're often listening to sell and you're missing important bits of information that those clients give you. So going through this program, we've been able to hone in on some of those points, and they're going to really help us to be able to sell to people in the future. Yeah, look, it's definitely helped my listing presentation. I guess I've never had an issue getting into doors, but often have had issues with getting people over the line. So what this has helped me is to close in deals, and also going back to that listening aspect is something that I've never been that great at, but something that this has really taught me to hone in on that, to listening to people, and then being able to close them at the end as well. So I've had a much better success rate. List more properties. I could list them, but probably not that successfully. And I think that this program has helped my success rate in listing. Oh, look, I would 100% say to use Pancho and his program. I think that you have to be open-minded in the information that's being given to you, but if you're able to look at the information, practice it, I can 100% say that it will help you and help your business. 10 out of 10, yeah, 100%. I think it's given me everything. Like, I had some stuff before the program started that I really wanted to work on, and I think this program has, without even me asking, has helped with those things, and has given me the tools to be able to succeed moving forward.